Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are good and enjoying Sant Panchami. And since we are the teachers and we'll always focus on the studies, whether for ourselves or for the students or for the teachers as well. So here today I am again with a new command, that is Countifs. So what does Countifs do? So I'll just tell you in brief that Countifs is a combination of uh, two functions, that is count and ifs. Count that counts the values, whereas if you want to apply a condition, if is used. So since there are multiple conditions in a one statement, so in one statement, if you want to apply count and if both and with multiple conditions, so in that place I preferably use count ifs. So here this is a sheet of my students reward sheet, and on this sheet we have the marks of different subjects, and the weightage is 100, but since physics, chemistry, CSIP, biology have practicals also, so 30 marks are of practicals and 70 marks are of theory. And in the similar way, English is of 100 marks, but out of 100, 80 is a theory and 20 is ASL. And similarly, maths is of 100 marks, and out of 100, 80 is theory, and 20 marks are meant for practicals. So here how to use and what is the objective of using countifs. So in this sheet, what I am going to do, I have to count all those students who fall in different categories. Like how many students fall in the category where they have scored marks above and equals to 95, and the students who fall in the category of above 90 but below 95, and the category greater than equals to 80 and less than 90, and so on. So here I don't have to use the logical operators like or and and. Rather than this, we will be using multiple conditions and relational operators. And for that, if you um, want to evaluate how many, uh, what is 95% of 80 and what is the 95% of 70. So this we I have calculated already, and see how to apply this condition in this sheet. And I have already created a sheet for the slabs. So here this is slab for different subjects. So here see physics above and equals to 95. How many students fall under the category of uh, above and equals to 95? So how to apply this condition? So just see equal. I have to put the cursor in the cell here, and this cell equal count ifs. So count ifs is there, and count ifs it requires criteria range 1. So criteria range, since I have to find out number of students of physics who fall in category of above equals to 95. So physics column is this. I have to select this range only. So range is selected, and after range put the comma and use criterion. So criterion is above equals to 95%. So put this condition in double quotes, greater than equals to 95, and close the parenthesis and press enter key. So just see Here there are zero number of students fall in this category. Now click on the next, where I'll have to combine the conditions like above and equals to 90 but less than 95. So how to apply the condition? See here, Countifs bracket, same range is required, so range is E6 to E45, comma, here above and equals to 90. So the first condition, comma, E6 colon E45, comma, less than equals to only less than only less than 95. So this way, the condition satisfies the category where students have scored above and equals to 90 but less than 95. To press enter, it gives number of students in this range. Here same condition is applied but the range should be different. Like I copy this formula and print it here. Since this is reference cell, I'll have to change the column name E column, and similarly percentage. Obviously the percentage, if I say 80 and here I say 95, so I mean 90, it won't give any result. Why? Because you see, we are taking 95%, we are taking 90%, 80%, but out of 80, what should be the 95%? And for that, I'll have to modify this. This is this should be 66.5. So yeah, this is 0. And over here, this should be 66.5 but greater than 63. The 90% of 70. 63. Press enter. So there is only one student fall in this category. And here, this is above 80 and below 90. So above 80, this is 56. This is 70% here. Choose 63. Press. So this is 1. Again, same condition. Going to copy here. This is your this should be 56. So this is above 70% but less than 80%. The same condition I'm going to copy. Well, yes. Now this time 42 to 49. Greater than 42, close to, but less. So these many students fall under this category, and how many students fall under the category less than equals to less than 60. Well, here take less than 60, that is of 70. So here there are 34 students. So total number of students are 40. So this way we can apply Countifs in our Google Sheets to count number of students of different categories. You can apply this condition in for other purpose also, but here I have used this Countifs count the students of different categories. So hope you like it, and if you have any problem, kindly comment. So we'll meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye.